Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Oliviero Flex PPF electric olive harvester is designed to offer high performance and maximum efficiency in olive harvesting. With an overall length of 240 centimeters and a weight of only 2.2 kilograms, the tine length of 35 centimeters is designed to effectively penetrate between the branches, ensuring optimal detachment of the olives without causing damage to the plant. The horizontal movement of the tines is powered by a powerful and reliable 12-volt electric motor, ensuring fast and precise harvesting. This horizontal movement system is specifically designed to minimize olive scattering, ensuring high and consistent yield throughout the entire harvesting process. The electric motor, characterized by remarkable quietness, helps maintain a quieter working environment, as well as being highly energy efficient, thus extending the operational autonomy of the tool. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.